Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January 1st, 2021. Today, we're going to give you all a price prediction on Grab. We had a couple of our subscribers here on this channel requesting that we do a price prediction for Grab, and today we'll do that for you. Before I get started in that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, if you guys appreciate our content, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel. We want to make sure you all stay updated, so make sure you tag that bell notification icon on our channel so that you do not miss out on any of our price prediction that we are anticipating going on into the future. So here's Grab. This cryptocurrency recently launched not long ago, and one of its main purpose and function is to make data easily accessible in a decentralized nature. As of right now, there wasn't no way for these protocols, these cryptocurrencies, these dApps to go ahead and pull in data from other sources. Well, this is the void that Grab is trying to fulfill, and they recently launched, and this is their website right here, APIs for a vibrant decentralized future. The Grab is an indexing protocol for querying networks, i.e. meaning bringing in information from Ethereum and IPFS. Anyone can build and publish open APIs called subgraphs, making data easily accessible. That's the purpose, is to make data accessible across multiple applications. So here's this chart. Market started for Graph back on December the 17th, 2020. As you all can see, the market topped out around 75 cents, and since then we came back down. Now, one thing that you can already see on this particular price chart is that Grab is finding a support area around 35 cents. We've seen the trap try to come in and hold the market in Grab right there around 45 cents. That's very positive, because he is telling us that he's not trying to drop the value of Grab right now. Let's take a look at this market on the 15-hour time frame. Do you see strength though? That's the question that needs to be addressed. Are we seeing strength into the market in Grab at these particular price levels? Because the only thing that is going on into the market right now in Grab is that he's able to sustain price right there at 35 cents instead of dropping it. But when you look at the volume, when you look at the particular price bars at that price level, 35 cents, are you seeing any indications that he's really trying to lift price? I don't see that on the 15-hour time frame. Let's see if we see anything different on the 11-hour. What about on the 11-hour time frame? Are we seeing any indications that this market in Graph is trying to go higher in price? Not yet. So this trend that the market in Graph started back here on December 21st is still in play. But for some apparent reason, the trap is trying to hold this price above 35 cents. Let's take a look at this market on the 2-day time frame real quick. Are you seeing any strength here on the 2-day time frame? I don't see any strength right now on the 2-day time frame. The only issue is this 35 cent price. So we need to identify that. And we are. We're going to hold this line here. We're going to create this line into the market in Graph. Anything above that line is positive for it to go high in price. Anything below it, we're going to go lower, period. Now, on this daily time frame, since we identified this area of 35 cents as being the difference between market going higher versus market going lower, what would be the next area of support? There's two areas, and the first one is here. So that is around 25 cents, 26 cents. That's the first area of support. And this is the second one, around 13 cents. Two areas of support that we need to be on guard for under the presumption that the trap breaks this 35 cent level to the downside. The first area is going to be here around 26 cents. The next area is going to be around 13. Cool, got it. So let's go ahead and take this off, and let's take this one off. So now, only thing we need to pay attention to and see is what is the likelihood of the market in Grab breaking 35 cents. I told you, right there around 35 cents, we're not seeing any strength at the moment. So as time goes on, we are increasing the prospect of breaking that 35-cent level to the downside. We are. The sooner that the market shows up that it has liftoff at 35 cents, then we understand that the market has found a very stable area of support, but not right now. And giving you all the information unbiasedly, we have to show you what the trap is telling us. And right now, he is telling us that he is not feeling the strength into the market and graph just yet. But let me preface what I just said, because I don't want you to think that the market is a complete wash. It can literally still go both ways. Hence why we identified 35 cents. I will give each and every one of you the opportunity for you to tell us, what do you think? Because I can also see that the market still has a probable chance of holding 35 cents and moving higher in price. I would say maybe 20 to 25% chance that that's a probable thing that can occur. So even though we may actually play the weakness into the forecast for graph, we are under the premise that, yeah, the market can still hold 35 cents because it has built a track record already on these price bars that it can do it. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'm really playing the weakness because of what I'm seeing on the 2-day time frame. Okay. On the 3-day time frame. On the daily time frame. So let's go ahead and do this real quick and play some weakness into the market graph. So what do you think the market's going to find restriction at? If you said around 40 cents, I would say you are correct as well. We're going to bring this market down to this vicinity, right around here. Okay, maybe around the high that came in on the 18th of December. The market can definitely tag that, and then we'll see the market try to go higher, or at least where we close and open on the 18th and the 19th of December. Okay, so let's do this real quick. So from the high that came in on the 18th of December, it's about 19.25% profitability on the movement to the downside. On the open and the close, it's about 27%. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let's get rid of this. And this is it. This is our idea as to what we expect the trap to do going forward. We're looking for him to lower the price back down here towards 28, 29 cents. That's what we'll TP the market at for graph. So yeah, many people are saying that this is an opportunity to come to the market for graph. It is, but is this the right time to do it now, while the price is trading around 36 cents? Or can you find a better price around 29, 30 cents? That's a question that you all need to answer for yourself. So now it's your turn. We're playing a weakness into the market and graph at the moment. We understand that 35 cents can literally still be held as support and actually go against our forecast. But do you see something totally different? If so, give all of our subscribers the opportunity to hear your opinion as to where the market and graph is going to go. I will say in 2 weeks. What would price be at in graph in 2 weeks? Don't make it complicated, because we're an organization, a channel that is not confusing. So don't bring that over here. You have a plethora of other channels out there in YouTube that you can get confusing information on. For us, we're not about that. So give us your thoughts about graph. Where are we headed? Higher, lower? And then tell everyone your TP price, your take profit. Where would you take the bag from the trap? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Go and trade different.